In today's video we're having a look at a zero clearance insert for the Bosch table saw. This saw is the Bosch GTS10 XC. This 3D printed insert came from Etsy and it's by the Woodelfactory. This person is based in France. It's been very nicely made. It has 5 screws on it, 4 of them for levelling and 1 for fixing a turning plate that locks it in place. It's been nicely reinforced on the base and it's got the insert already in it for the riving knife. The reason for needing this, I was cutting down some wood the other day for a customer and the offcut went in between the insert and the blade, which I really hate when it happens. So I'm hoping the zero insert will alleviate this problem when I'm just doing straight cuts. If we drop the blade down, pop the old insert out, which is a nice metal insert which does work lovely. It's just there's too large a gap when you're just doing straight cuts. And then the new one has got 2 clips on the end which just go into the end of the unit, and then you just do up the screw on this side. With this screw turned around on the cam action, all we now do is just level up the 4 screws if it needs leveling at all. I've got a very slight wobble there, so I think I might be high just slightly on the back. So we'll get some sandpaper and just sand this down very slightly. These are another set of fine corner sanders that I keep meaning to do a review on. I'll make sure I do that this year. There we go, that's better. So this edge is just slightly proud, and you just undo the screw slightly and then you get it nice and flush going across. Now all we should have to do is just start the saw up and then slowly raise the saw up. Now what I might do is just get the push stick, because this is made of plastic. I just want to basically give it some downward force as I raise the blade up, just to help it cut through the plastic. I really like the brake on this saw. It brings this blade to a standstill very quickly. Well, that's cut through it nicely. The other thing that's handy having a zero clearance slot is if you're using the same blade, I can now use this edge as my marker, and I know that's exactly on the blade, and also the edge on the other side as well. But now when we're cutting thin pieces of wood off, there's nowhere for this now to fall down between the blade. If we take this off now, and we'll have a look what it's like on the underside. So it's cut through perfectly, all within the slot that the person had already made for it, and it's just a nice clean cut. Overall, first impressions, I'm very happy with this, and it will hopefully save a lot of accidents in the future. If I wanted to use a different thickness blade, I could always buy another one of these zero inserts and just have this one specifically for this type of blade. Well, I hope this quick review was very helpful for someone. I'll leave a link in the description below of the person I bought it from on Etsy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I will be bringing out more videos regularly now. It's been a very hard 6 months trying to get the videos done as well as working. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.